Jeep Grand Cherokee repairs. Jeep is an automobile marque originating in the United States. Now owned by multinational corporation Stellantis, Jeep has been part of Chrysler since 1987, when Chrysler acquired the Jeep brand, along with remaining assets, from its previous owner American Motors Corporation AMC. The 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a mid-size SUV known for its blend of luxury, performance, and off-road capability. It offers a wide range of features to cater to different preferences and needs. Here are some of the notable features you might find in the 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Servicing your Jeep Grand Cherokee regularly is important to ensure its optimal performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are general guidelines for Jeep Grand Cherokee service. Regular maintenance schedule. Refer to the owner's manual. The manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule is outlined in the vehicle's owner's manual. This includes intervals for services such as oil changes, filter replacements, and inspections. Oil changes. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals. Use the oil type and viscosity specified in the owner's manual. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and, if necessary, replace various fluids, including transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter as recommended in the owner's manual. Tire maintenance. Rotate and balance the tires regularly. Check tire pressure and alignment, and replace tires when needed. Brake system inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid levels. Replace brake components as needed. Professional service. Seek professional service from authorized Jeep dealerships or certified auto service centers familiar with Jeep vehicles. Software updates. Stay informed about any software updates or recalls for your Jeep Grand Cherokee. These updates can be performed by authorized service centers. Warranty considerations. Adhere to warranty requirements and recommended service to maintain warranty coverage. Specific Jeep Grand Cherokee tips. Keep an eye on the dashboard warning lights and address any issues promptly. Check and replace the timing belt as recommended in the owner's manual. Pay attention to unusual noises, vibrations, or changes in performance and have them inspected. Always refer to the specific owner's manual for your Jeep Grand Cherokee model year for precise information regarding maintenance intervals and service requirements. Regular servicing by qualified professionals will help ensure the longevity, safety, and performance of your Jeep Grand Cherokee.